Oh shoot! I'm almost there. Oh, it went underneath the grass. I don't know. Oh yeah! Alright now, Mila.
It's okay.
Perfect. Butter, yes, butter. Yummy sweet potato. Be a bit generous. Yummy. So there.
Why you put all that butter on there? No, 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 you pillock. Really? You can't cook it like that. No.
Making sweet potato. Yummy, yummy sweet potato. White sweet potato. Gotta make sure it's all tight. I love white sweet potato. I'm gonna lodge these tiny pieces right under there. Like that. Knife down. And put it around their face. Yum. Gotta wrap it up tight. Did you start?
Mm-hmm. Leave the second one for little sister.
Okay.
Go. Good job, girls.
Next up, we got some creamy bacon carbonara. I love this. So,
I don't think you did it.
ooh, what do you do? Next up, we got some creamy bacon carbonara. That's hot. You know, no. Water. Tell me when to stop.
Stop. Stop.
Guys, this might take a while, so...
One eternity later.
Ta-da! So finally, it's time for us to put in our mix of nice, tasty, creamy bacon carbonara. I think it's Italian, I don't know. So, oh, yep. So technically we're supposed to wait for it to boil, but it's been taking forever. Oh, why am I trying to open it like a chip bag? There's a cherry right there. That, and carefully pour it into our milk and water. Gotta be careful here. that powder is what's going to create the cream with the milk.
Get it all.
There's more. Yum. More.
Okay.
Crazy. It's so windy. I'm cold. I'm getting cold. Then get your jacket. Tear it open again, just like how we did the old one. And pour it in. It's raining noodles.
Yeah, and the carbonara will get bigger as it's cooking.
As it soaks up all the water and
Milk.
Stir it.
Can I try some? Sure. Thank you. You're it to him, Leia. While I go look at some trash.
And make sure the white sweet potatoes aren't burning. So this carbonara is delicious.
Stir it a bit. This powder on the top. Stir.
I'm hungry.
Keep stirring.
Me too, I know.
It's his
While we're waiting for the carbonara to cook, I'm going to be cutting some pork chop. So this is so we cut one up, I think, right here. Okay, that's not right. Through that fat. And then over here. Over here also.
yummy. Pork chop is yum yum. Gotta cook it just right.
And then it'll be nice and tasty. And then one right here.
You can't undercook it, otherwise it's raw. But you can't. But if you overcook it for even just a minute, it just tastes charred and black.
Yeah. So now we get another piece and put this piece back inside there. Now we're going to do the same cutting. Now we're putting our pork chops on the grill. I don't want to get burned.
Almost. They're almost in the water now.
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
Okay, then. How many more pork chops? There's 2 more to go. So. Got one of my eyes. But, I can't see.
Get it on.
What's up with the smoke is going in my face?
A few moments later.
Guys, these are the pork chops right now. We just have to wait a little longer for the other side to cook. I wonder how many minutes that's gonna be, but we're gonna do that.
What are you doing?
Stirring the pasta. The smoke is torturing me. Yes, go that way, not here. I just want half pasta. I'm hungry.
Video now of doing it.
I can do this. That's hot. Okay, just be careful to not burn yourself.
But wait, there's more.
Let's dig in. So yeah, pork chops, sweet potato, and bacon carbonara.
Bacon carbonara.
So good.
Oh yeah, because there's bits of bacon. Come on.
You hungry, Mila?
Uh-huh.